Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the weird angle, but today I'm just gonna be quickly doing a Syngonium arrangement and you won't be seeing my face much, so I'm just popping in here to say hello. So this is a planter that I got at the Dollar Tree. It was initially for my hydroponic setup on my aquarium, but I'm gonna use it for the Syngonium, to make a Syngonium arrangement for behind my aquarium, and then I'm just gonna go back to Dollar Tree and get another one of these. All right, so I have, I think, maybe 5 different Syngonium varieties in here that I'm gonna put together in this planter to make a nice Syngonium arrangement. All right, let me show you what I have. I have this one. Let me put the planter here so you can see better. So I have this one, I believe it's the white butterfly. This is the main one that I wanted to pot up in here, but then I decided to go ahead and take little portions of other ones that I have. Here is my Syngonium Wendlandii, I believe that's what it's called, that I found at Home Depot. So I just took a cut in and I'm gonna pop that in there as well. Here is a piece of my frosted heart. So I have two plants. I had 2 plants in a pot, so I took one of them. As you can see, sorry about that, as you can see, this one, I had some thrift damage, but it's coming back. So I still have a small piece that I'm going to pot up, and then this I'm going to put in this arrangement. And then I have this one, I don't remember what it's called, Berry Illusion, I believe. This is the last portion of it. I did separate it and put a piece in my terrarium and it died off. So this is the last of it, and this one I think I forgot to water it and it dried up. So this is what I have left. It still has a good root system, so I am going to be potting them up. So this is still a piece of the other one, and then this is the root ball that I cut back to make it shorter because it was growing long and lengthy. So that's how you propagate a Syngonium, by the way. If you want to propagate a Syngonium, you just cut at a node. It's gonna have a lot of aerial roots, so I just cut it right there, as you can see, and then there is a root. Same thing here. I just cut it back. It was very long and these leaves at the bottom died off, but here are some aerial roots coming in, so these are going to turn into roots. All right, let's get started. I already have my soil mix here. There we go. Very light and well draining mixture. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and arrange them the way I want them to set. So it's gonna set like this behind the tank. So I want the taller one right here going to the smaller one. Eventually they're all gonna get tall though, but all right, let me go ahead and start placing them. I wish I had a better angle for you. Let me see if I could change it. All right, I think this is much better, so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. All right, so I'll put this right here, and then this one right here. So I'm putting all the varieties together. This is the shortest piece. I'm gonna put it in the front. They're moving around because they don't have any soil to hold them in place yet. And then this one right here. Then my frosted heart. Oh my gosh. Then my Wendlandii right here. I believe I should put this Wendlandii in the middle because it grows pretty tall. And put it in the middle. Wendlandii right here. Frosted heart. Alright. When I'm finished, I'm going to show you what it looks like from the top, but it's going to be beautiful, I think. Especially when they fill in. Alright, like so. Yes, let's do this like this. All right, like so. All right, let me add my soil in. Now these pots, you do have to drill holes in the bottom. I actually just use one of the Dollar Tree, what do you call it, the things, the shear, plant shear, and just cut it and just push it in, and it was that easy. You know, the thing with having, like, making propagations is if a plant dies, you have a spare. So for example, if my frosted heart, the other version, the other one that I'm going to be keeping on my plant stand, dies, then I'll have more of it. Hopefully this one doesn't die, or if this one dies, then and the other one makes it, then I'll have more of it. I don't think my Wendlandia is gonna die. Wendlandia, if I'm pronouncing it right, I don't think it's gonna die because it's so full. I can always take cuttings from it. Alright. So time to do these ones. This is just gorgeous, and you could do this with any plant. You could actually use this planter to make arrangements for other things. This could be used to make a nice succulent arrangement as well. These are gonna have to get staked. Baby right here. Almost finished. All right, take a look at it. Please excuse the mess on the table, but this is what it's looking like. Beautiful. This is a leaf that suffered when I forgot to water it. But I see some new shoots are coming in right there. And this was the main plant, so put it in the middle, give it some room to grow. This is the Wendlandia. This is the Berry Illusion, I believe. This is the Frosted Heart. It's gonna look so beautiful when it fills in. Look at that. Look at it. So this is the planter from the side. Nice little arrangement. I'm gonna stake them up. I'm gonna stake these one up and put it in place, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now I did give all of these plants another round of treatment for pests, because you see this one right here look like active thrip, so I scrub it in. And this is an older, hopefully older one. I haven't seen any new activity on this one, but I still treated it, this one as well, just as a precaution, because I saw some yellowing leaves on these. So yeah, but look at it, beautiful. I'm gonna pop it in its spot and show you what it looks like. When they fill in and grow up, it's gonna look really good. I want to climb up the wall, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna redo up here as well. Make a jungle. Need to clean that fish tank as well, it's very dirty.